In this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove watermark to a Microsoft presentation. First of all, select View tab, and in the View tab select Master Slide section button, and select the top slide on the side plane, and go to Insert and insert whatever you want to insert as your watermark. So I select text box, and I draw a text box and type anything you want to put it as a watermark. Then I will, and then you can place it anywhere you want. And you can change the font type, font color, font size, anything the way you want. And then after you're done, then go to Slide Master tab and close the master view, so you can see your watermark is appear in every slide. Like guys, if you want to remove the watermark, you have to do the same, follow the same procedure. Go to View tab, then Slide Master tab, then select the first slide, and then select the watermark that you want to remove, and press delete button. Then it will delete from every slides from your presentation. Thank you.